What is the source of funds requirement for EB-5? Hello, my name is Ian Scott and I'm an immigration attorney in New York. So EB-5 requires that you prove that the money that you invested, so the $800,000 or the $1,050,000, comes from a legitimate source. And this sounds easy, right? Well, of course the money came from a legitimate source. I worked for it, I sold some stock, I sold a house. Sounds easy, but it is in fact quite difficult. And the government really treats this like an audit. And so if the money comes from savings from employment, you'd have to show, W-2s showing your employment. You'd have to show tax returns showing that you were paid, but also you'd have to show bank statements over time showing the accumulation of funds and then the money coming from that particular bank account where the funds were accumulated. That's just just one example. If you say that you took out a line of credit or a loan on a secured property, then they want to say, okay, well, where did you get the money to buy the secured property? And you'd have to provide documentation related to that. So it can be quite extensive, and it is a key part of the EB-5 requirements. And in fact, when you're looking at a regional center, it's really the only or the primary thing that the immigration attorney looks at. And when an applicant is denied, if they're applying to a project where other applicants have been approved, if an applicant is denied, the only reason that they're denied is because their source of funds didn't meet the legal requirement. Thank you.